Alright, we got a good one for y'all today, guys. We're going to be taking y'all on the 35-foot Invincible Catamaran. Let's hop on board and check it out. Alright, let's start off with a few specs. It's got an overall length of 35 feet, 10 inches. A beam of 11 foot, 7.5 inches. The max horsepower is 1,200 horsepower, which is quad 300s. That's 550 gallons of fuel. And weight with power is 17,100 pounds. Alright, stepping through the side entry door, we come to the transom back here. We have a 65-gallon live well at the transom and a 70-gallon live well in the deck right in front of your starboard bilge access. We can look at the bilge access right here. There's port and starboard side, as this is a catamaran. Very clean and neat in there. And then we come to the rear seating back here. Very comfortable bench seating. Have a little bit of storage underneath. And when you pull the backrest down, you have some tackle storage behind you as well. As you can see, we have a nice oversized hard top, rocket launchers on the back, cup holders and rod holders back here as well. 3 really nice bolstered seats at the helm. Center steering on this one as well. We have Mercury throttles, joystick control, Mercury vessel view, 2 24-inch Garmin MFDs, the VHF radio, fusion head unit. This boat is equipped with tons of JL audio speakers, including some in the hardtop as well. You also have all your switching right here, easy, very clean. Now let's move to the bow. Alright, right here at the helm also, port and starboard side, you have a large dish box. There's one of equal size on the port side. And then you have tons of rod holders on the side of the console. And the good thing they thought about it as well is they put cutouts in the hard top so that the tips of your rods can go through them and you don't lose any rod space. Now we move to the massive bow area. You have a large lounger up front, right in front of the console, which you can lift up to reveal a massive coffin box. It has been divided. You can take those out if you need the whole space. We also have a bit more storage on port and starboard side, more fish boxes. And here you can really see all the JL audio speakers throughout this boat. Again, large deck up here, perfect for fishing. Access, a little bit of unfinished storage boxes on port and starboard side. And this one has been equipped with a windlass anchor. Thank you guys for following along on this walkthrough of the 35-foot Invincible Catamaran. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.